Welcome to the Lightning PDF Generator demo. Today, we'll show you how field service agents can seamlessly download case details for on-site work, ensuring they have all the information they need, even when offline. Meet Alex, a field service agent. Alex needs to visit a client site to resolve a technical issue. Before heading out, Alex wants to ensure they have all the case details handy. But before that, let's see how a Salesforce admin at Alex's organization has made this happen. A system administrator updates the Field Service Console record page and places the Lightning PDF Generator custom component in the top right section of the page. In the Lightning PDF Generator component properties, the system administrator selects Component as the download option and determines that the index of the component to be downloaded is 6 on the page, enabling the field service agent to download it. Now, let's shift our focus back to Alex, the field service agent. Alex quickly accesses the case detail page in Salesforce that he needs to address the issue, ensuring he has all necessary information even without internet access. With just a click, Alex generates a PDF of the case details, capturing all relevant information including customer history, issue description, and previous interactions. Alex prints the PDFs to take on-site, ensuring they have a hard copy of all necessary information. See how smoothly Alex and his organization achieve this without the need for complex customizations, lengthy implementation processes, or high costs of delivery.